Hello everyone, this is MD Samir. I am pursuing my graduation in IRE College as a CSC Data Science and the TikTok concept in programming for problem solving using C. I can select the topic about a problem statement. Here is a problem statement. Write a program to obtain the length and breadth of a rectangle and check whether its area is greater than or perimeter is greater than or both are equal. So I am going to tell about this problem statement and how to solve using the C programming languages by using the code. So first of all I am going to tell about what is meant by area of rectangle and its perimeter. So related to read. So in this slide I am going to discuss about the area of rectangle by using the C programming and perimeter of the rectangle by using the C programming. So by finding these two areas we can tell as a our program statement. So first thing we have to note down that rectangle is a quadrilateral, that is it has four sides. So we have know everything about rectangle is a two side opposite sides are equal and it's a quadrilateral and all the four angles of the rectangle are 90 degrees. So in corner we can observe every area is 90 degrees and all the rectangles are 90 degrees. To calculate the area of the rectangle we need its length and width or breadth. So to calculate the area of a rectangle what we need the its length and breadth. So I am going to discuss about this page contents. So in total this ppt I am going to tell about the formula how to calculate the area of rectangle, to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle, expected output for the input and source code, C program to find whether a rectangle is greater than its perimeter, and logic to find whether a area of rectangle is greater than and its perimeter. So these are all the page contents. So mainly we are focusing by using the C program. We need to prove the problem statement given here. So this is our the problem statement. So first thing, to calculate the area of rectangle I have given here area, that is area of a rectangle length into breadth. So longest side is the length and we can see here the width by applying the arrow mark. I will shown here area of the rectangle, that is length into breadth. Formula to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle. So perimeter of a rectangle 2 into length plus breadth. So here I have given the perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter 2 into length into breadth. So this is two formulas which is most important to solve all problems. Length is the length of the longest side of the rectangle and width is the length of the smallest side of the rectangle. Just now I have tell about this. So program, we need to observe program. So this is very important in the C language, how to solve, to check our condition. So first we need to view the include, that is hash include studio.h into main. We are giving the main function int, and next we are giving the float length, width, area, perimeter, because we are finding the area and perimeter, that is the float length. So printf, enter the length of the rectangle slash n, scanf %f and length. Printf, enter the width of the rectangle, scanf %f and width, because in the area of the rectangle we are finding the length and breadth of the rectangle. So we are giving here printf its length and breadth, and next we are assigning the formula area, that is L into width, that is breadth. We can use the L into width. Perimeter 2 into L into L plus width. So this is the perimeter formula. We can observe area and perimeter. So what we are finding, its area is greater than perimeter. So we are giving here if condition, that is area is greater than perimeter. So while you are using the perimeter we can give the square braces. Next printf yes, if it is the area is greater than the perimeter, it can print yes, area 0% 2f is greater than the perimeter 0.2 f slash n area or area comma perimeter. So this is the main condition. If given statement is true, this will compute or give the output. Else printf area percent 0.2f is not greater than its perimeter 0.2f slash an area perimeter. So this is about the area and area and its perimeter. So if it is satisfied that values, it can print the given values. So this is about the if else conditions. So lastly, return 0. So what happened if we are giving the values is true or false, it can give the output. So we can observe the expected output for the input, user input. So user input is nothing but inbuilt we are giving. Enter the length of the rectangle, that is 5. Enter width of the rectangle 4. So we are giving the length 5 and 4. What is the formula? L into B. So what happened? 5 into 4 20. What is the perimeter formula? 2 into L plus B, that is 5 plus 4 into 2, that is 18. So we can observe output. What happened? Yes, area is 20, perimeter is 18. What we have observed, area is greater than its perimeter. So 20 is greater than 18. So finally we concluded that area is always greater than its perimeter in the rectangle. So another example I have given here to find the length of the rectangle, I mean area of the rectangle and the perimeter of the rectangle, given condition is true or not. So uh, one time I have to read the program statement, because we have to understand clearly what I have reading. Write a program to obtain the length and breadth of a rectangle. Check whether its area is greater or perimeter is greater or both are equal. So we are checking here area of a rectangle and perimeter of a rectangle. So what we are checking, if area of the rectangle is greater than or its perimeter are greater than or both are equal. So we are applied here two formulas. One is L into B, that is area of triangle, and another is a perimeter of a rectangle. Sorry, not a triangle, rectangle. Perimeter is a 2 into L plus B, that is L plus W also we can conclude. So mainly program we have seen into main float length. We are giving the length and width. We are giving the given the formulas area and perimeter, and we are giving the if else condition. If our condition is area is greater than perimeter, it can print, and if area is not greater than, it also print, and finally it gives the return 0. So what I am giving another example, we can observe here. Enter the length of the rectangle, that is 12. Enter the width of the rectangle 6. What is the area of a rectangle? L into 12 into 6, that is 72. And next we are calculating the formula perimeter of a rectangle, that is 2 into L plus B, that is 2. L plus B, 12 plus 6, that is 18. 18 to the 36, that is perimeter of a triangle. So finally we concluded that area is greater than its perimeter. It is very important. Area is greater than its perimeter. We can observe here area of a rectangle, that is length into width, perimeter 2 into L plus B. So this is the formula that is very important to uh, learn, because from the basic class we are learning from that formulas, but in the C programming language we have to find the code. How to write the code I have given here. So this is my topic. First thank so finally I concluded that area is greater than its perimeter. Thank you for this giving me opportunity. So before that leaving this, I'm going to tell, by using the C program, not also finding the rectangle, we can find many problems. We can easily solve the many problems, like we can to find the areas, to find the perimeters, to find the uh, total surface areas, etc. We can find maximum all formulas, but we have to need how to write the code in the C program. So this is a simple code we have written by using the if else conditions, and we are giving the area formula and perimeter formula. So this is my topic uh, about the area of a triangle. area of a rectangle and its statement. So thank you for this opportunity.